Haya basi, naonekana kama tumefika mwisho wa kikomo, sisi tunaingia hapa mbele. Where is my marketing team? Please join me at the podium. Come on, come on, come on. Thank you so much. We appreciate you guys for being here. While tunatarajia kumaliza, we thank Equity so much for what they have decided to do. They have been listening and hearing that management has been working and giving free time of volunteering. So they have decided to prepare a small package for you to tell you, thank you for giving back to the community. So we will make sure we give you that small gift from Equity, and that is to the management team. Also, they have decided for everybody, because they know Americans right now wamekula dinner. So there's some little lunches, dinners left over there, some hamburgers for those who wants to eat dinner. Mmekaribishwa pale ndio mkule. So this is my team here, Mr. Joel Arama, raise your arm up. Thank you so much. That is a communication and outreach coordinator, our honorable secretary, Mr. Hesbon, the guy with all the energy, and without him, sijui tungekuwa wapi sahi. So this is what, this is the team that complements this woman in the middle here, and I don't have the voice, not unless their voice is heard. Sema hello.
Hello.
Yo imetosha.
Why did it?
Yo. So that is very nice. So tukiendelea kumaliza, as marketing team, we are part of what organizes where we are here, and we thank the local people who have helped us, our battalion on the ground. I see a few are here. I see Ben, I see Mr. Ndubi, I see Esbon, of course, is here, Mr. Nyamari is here, and the rest, Chris, Ndubi, Michael, and so many that I'm not able to see right now because macho meniangalia nimesahau majina. Okay, so as marketing team, we are striving as from today onwards. Our next initiative is to nurture our young leaders. As you see here, for those people who have been in the United States, they see how business is done. The parents decides a business, tries to grow their kids so they can take the business. That's what we are trying to do as the marketing team. We want to grow within us, and we are developing the Young Achievers Club. Who else can do good on that area than Mr. Esbon Kibogo here is one of our Young Achievers Club member. That is a Generation Z between 18 and 35. Don't knock me stones, in case I went off the edges. So those who are online, Mr. Esbon is here. Esbon, able to ambia Young Achievers what is all about this. Just 2 minutes.
Now, briefly allow me to thank you for standing with us to make this event success, and briefly allow me to be thankful that today I have good news for the youth and the young generation. With the approval of the board, we are able to have a Youth Achievers Club, which means we're able to develop youths to venture in financial and economic stability. With that being said, Young Achievers Club will protect the welfare of the youth and upcoming future generation. And I'm tempted to challenge every youth in here and whoever is listening right now, please join. Grand Granite Circle is going places, and it's just the beginning, just, you know. One of the advantages that you can benefit from being a Young Achievers Club is that we, in collaboration with Cusco, you will be able to get low interest in loans compared to other members. So allow me to tell you that pray for us as much as we are offering to help our corporation, and let's support each other, because that's the only way we can move forward. Asante sana na kirembia mwanovansi.
Thank you, and along with that, Equity is not stopping to amaze us. They have also promised to hold the Young Achievers' hands all the way. So one big applause for Equity Bank. Thank you, Madam. Madam Julie, she said she's gonna take that one to heart. She's gonna run. I don't know ni Kipchoge Keino mnajua, lakini yule mwanadada hamtamshika. Akiona Esbon ako nyuma yake, wakiwa na Jeff pale nyuma, wamesema hapa hapana, tutashika nyinyi mkono, mtaenda mpaka mwisho. Equity did it. Why can't you do it? You're gonna do it because they believe in us, and we appreciate you guys. So thank you so much. Equity provided something there to eat. Mr. Chairman is coming from my mic. Usininyonge we, ngoja niongee kidogo. You have been having the whole day. Anyways, everybody is tired. Let me wait for the chairman to finish up, and we'll see what next we can say. Thank you. Amanda, what? Oh.
Thank you. Marketing has been doing a wonderful job for sure. Everybody here, applause them.